Nature's Panchatattva facial is inspired by the five elements which heavily reflects its energy on the skin in a perfect balance. Based on the ancient recipe of treating skin with five Ayurvedic herbs like Manjeshta, Harida, Amba Halidi, Navara and Jatamasi. This Panchatattva facial is a detoxifying facial which purifies the skin by giving deep cleansing, healthy and fresh looking skin and maintain the skin texture. Use this facial for normal to dry skin. Clean the face with the damp cotton. Clean the face with 1 tablespoon of Panchatattva cleanser in circular motion by massaging it for 3 to 5 minutes. Panchatattva cleanser contains Jatamasi extracts, Bhringraj extracts, Amba halidi and rose petals. It helps in deep post cleansing and purification. Then wipe it off with the moist cotton. Take 1 spoon of Panchatattva potli mixture and add half cup of milk and boil it on the flame to make a thick paste. Fill it in the potli. Before massaging on the face, check it on your hand. Massage the face in the circular motion for 10 to 15 minutes. The potli should be lukewarm when you massage. After massaging with the potli, open it. Take out the mixture which is left over inside the potli and apply the mixture on the face. Then do gentle scrubbing in the circular motion for 8 to 10 minutes. If required, give steam over the scrub. Potli mixture contains Jatamasi powder, Amba halidi powder and Navara rice. It removes the dead cells and gives flawless complexion. Wipe it off with the help of the spatula and then clean with the damp cotton. Extracts blackheads and whiteheads. Tone the skin with thyme rime freshener. Take 1 tablespoon of Panchatattva Kumkumadi massage cream and add 4 to 5 drops of Panchatattva Telam oil. Gently massage the face, back and neck area for 8 to 10 minutes till it gets absorbed completely inside the skin. As Panchatattva is a detoxifying facial, do lymphatic drainage massage. Start from the hairline, do clockwise and anti-clockwise without moving your fingers. Just move the skin. Now slide down to the center of the eyebrows and do clockwise and anti-clockwise. Then slide down to the corner of the nose area and do clockwise and anti-clockwise. Slide down to the corner of the lips and do clockwise and anti-clockwise. Make sure your finger should not move, only the skin should move. Now slide down to the center of the chin and do clockwise and anti-clockwise. After doing on the chin area, slide down your fingers to the down of the ear. Now drain down downwards. Panchatattva Kumkumadi massage cream contains jojoba oil, kesar extracts and manjeshta extracts. Excellent for intensive hydration and help in firming the cellular tissues. Panchatattva Telam contains Rakta Chandan, geranium oil and almond oil. Natural herbs which gives exemplary, nourishing and radiant look. Clean the face with a damp cotton. Apply Panchatattva clay pack on the face and neck area for 10 to 15 minutes. Panchatattva clay pack contains ashwagandha extracts, oat powder, mogra oils and rose petals. It provides glow with the nourishment and protection. After 10 minutes, when the pack gets dry, soften the pack with the water and clean it with the damp cotton. Apply 4 to 5 drops of oxymestic moisturizer. for protection and nourishment of the skin. Now you can see detoxifying, de-stress, toned and complexion enhanced skin. To maintain the effect of the Panchatattva Plus detoxifying facial results, use Aquapure Pore Refining Face Wash twice a day. Apply UV Cover Sun Protect Lotion daily.